Hello, we are back with another packing video. This time I'm going to be going to Greece and I'm going to be staying on a catamaran for a week. And the rule with the catamaran was no luggages with wheels, so just duffel bags, which is what I'm going to be packing here. And I have never traveled with a duffel bag before. I've always gone with a luggage. I'm a little stressed. I got this from Amazon. This is a weekender bag or a gym bag. And then as well as my Lululemon backpack. I'm sorry I don't have the information for this bag. I got this many years ago from an ex, so I won't be able to call him up. I'm sorry. I'll also be using my packing cubes again. I got these from Amazon. Everything that I'm going to be using except for the backpack, I'm going to be listing it down below in the description. If you like watching these types of packing videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get started. For clothes, I'm going to be keeping it pretty simple. I'm going to be packing 2 dresses, a top, and 2 button-up shirts that's going to be going over the bathing suits, 2 pairs of shorts, and of course I'm going to be packing my pajamas. Okay, so I'm going to pack everything into this packing cube and hopefully it fits. Okay, so for my bathing suits, I'm going to be packing it into my smallest packing cube. First, I have this full bodysuit. I got this from Shein. It's also a 1-shoulder bathing suit. Next, I have this blue bathing suit with pink polka dots. I got this from La Vie en Rose. And then I have this blush bathing suit from La Vie en Rose as well. Next, I got this bathing suit from Shein. This is like a nice lilac 3-piece. It comes with like this sheer skirt for the bottom, which is really cute, so I really like that. And then the other one that I really like is this piece. I also got this from Shein. It's another 3-piece bathing suit. So cute. And then the cover up is this really long like maxi skirt. I really like the design of this. I think it fits really well with the Greece theme. I'll probably be wearing this on my birthday, so I'm really excited. For shoes, I'm going to be packing these sandals here. I'm going to be putting it into this shoe carrier that came with my packing cubes, so very handy. And then I'm going to be wearing sneakers onto the plane, which is also going to be what I'm going to be wearing when I'm walking around in Greece. In terms of where I'm going to store my money, I'm going to be putting it into this Louis Vuitton wallet. This is the Kiss Me edition. It has like this clasp here, and then here you have your cards. And then there's also a spot for money bills. I got these scarves for my head because I don't like to wear hats. So I'm hoping a scarf over my head will also be just as effective. But like if you've ever seen those people that wear the scarves over their heads like this, I know it looks really bad right now, but like just picture it. So that's gonna be one option. And then another option that I got from Amazon is this crochet headband. Just hear me out, just hear me out. I won't be able to make it look good, but like, just imagine like a bit of cottagecore in Greece. Can we see the vision? Maybe a little? I'll have to post pictures. I have my regular glasses, and then also I have 2 sunglasses packed in here. Hopefully it won't get damaged, but I got these 2 from Shein as well. And then I also bought this as well. So for bags, I don't know what I'm gonna pack because I don't have much space. So I'm thinking I might pack this white bag here. And this is actually a Lancome bag. It's super cute. My fiance's mom gave this to me, so I thought it'd be very cute. Nice and small. Don't worry, I'll take the plastic off, I swear. Okay, so for my toiletries, it's going to be pretty similar to my previous videos. I have a shaver. I have this facial cleanser scrub I got from Sephora, and I honestly really like this. I find that it really cleans the makeup off my face really well. I feel like my face is a lot cleaner when I use this. So this is one of my holy grails in my skincare routine. I have this. I keep my Vaseline in here. This used to be a lip balm, but I thought I would reuse it because it's so cute. I have this from The Ordinary. I like to put the mushroom lotion into this just because I find that it's an easier applicator with this dropper because the product is very liquidy. I feel like this works a lot better. These bottles are both from Miniso. In this bottle, I have the facial cleanser that I got from Japan. And then in this one is the watermelon toner. I have a brush, toothpaste, VI Poo. There's gonna be 4 other people on this boat with us, so gotta be discreet. Toothbrush. Definitely having a travel toothbrush where you can fold it is really helpful. I have a bit of perfume in here. I think this was the Gucci Flora. I have floss. And of course some pimple patches. So this time I'm actually going to be packing shampoo and conditioner just because we are going to only have 1 day in Athens before we go on the boat and then go island hopping. So I don't know what's happening after Athens. I don't know where we're going. I'm just basically going with the flow. I got this from Winners. I'm pretty sure you can find this in a lot of places, but I'll link some similar ones on Amazon. Okay, so I've gone ahead and washed these out, and I'm going to put shampoo into the darkest one, and then I guess the conditioner in this lighter one. For the shampoo, I am using Marc Anthony's Big Volume Weightless Shampoo. Okay, and same thing with the conditioner. And some other important items I want to share that are pretty important to have but can be a struggle to carry around is to get a bar of soap. You won't have any issues with the liquid limit with this. And then this is actually lotion. This is a body butter, but it's in a stick form. This is from Rocky Mountain Soap Co. And this is in the Cedar Solstice. It's like peppermint, but also has like woody notes. I'm going to be packing this sunscreen. I got this from Japan. This is 70 milliliters, so perfect size, but I know I'm going to run out, but I'll probably buy some more sunscreen when I'm in Greece. For my makeup, I'm going to be putting everything into this makeup bag. First off, starting with sunscreen, I'm going to be using the Unseen Sunscreen. The consistency of the product is a gel, so I find that it works very well as a primer. Next, for foundation, I'm going to be using my favorite product. This is the Maybelline Matte Poreless in the number 118. For setting powder, I'm going to be using MAC's Loose Powder in medium. For eyebrows, I'm going to be using MAC's Eyebrow Styler in taupe. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using Can Make Tokyo in Slim Liquid Liner, and this is in the color black. For concealer, I'm going to be using MAC's Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer, and this is in the number NC20. I'm going to be packing false lashes. These are from Kiss. And I'm also going to be packing the dual lash glue. This is in the color black, and honestly, I wish I got the clear one instead. Because at the end of the day, I find that the glue moves and it gets all over my eyelids. But I'm just going to try to use it up for now. For bronzer, I'm going to be using MAC. This is in the color Blunt. For lipstick, I'm also going to be using MAC. This is in the number 407, As If I Care. For lip balm, I'm going to be using Jack Black Moisture Therapy Lip Balm with an SPF of 25, and this is in Grapefruit. I'll be packing my contact lenses, my very dirty beauty blender, and I'll also be packing my powder brush as well as my contour brush. And then for electronics, I will be packing my camera as well as these Bose headphones. And these headphones are amazing. They drown out so much sound, and they are a lifesaver on the airplane, especially if it's loud. Just put these on, you can adjust the noise cancellation on it, and it works wonders. For electronics, I like to keep things in separate bags, and because I have so much makeup bags, I might as well reuse them and make them useful. So I like to put my microphones, my Bluetooth and wired microphones in this type of bag. I'll link these down below as well where I got them. These are the Comica Boom XD. It comes with 2 mics, so that's very handy. And then in this bag, I have my power bank, my SD card reader. This is for my camera. This is the battery charger. I do have some extra batteries here as well. This is for the power bank to charge it, and extra SD cards. For the power supply, I got this adapter on Amazon. It comes with 2 plug options and 2 USB options. At the back, you just put that out and then attach this, and you plug it into the wall. For healthcare items, I'm going to be packing some gravel because I don't know how I'm going to be on a boat for 7 days. My iron pills for all my girlies with low iron. And this saved me on my Japan trip, these digestive enzymes. They work very well. They are very helpful. And because we're going to be on a boat, they asked me to pack some games. And so I'm going to be packing Taco Hat Cake Gift Pizza. If you've ever played this, this is a really funny game. Also a good game to play when you're drinking. My best friend Rodalie introduced me to this game, so thanks Rodalie. Another one I'll be packing is Monopoly Deal. This one's very fun. And I like that it's the compact form compared to like the big board game style. I forgot to mention I have my personal items packed in here, including a couple socks. that's pretty much it. I'm going to be packing my phone charger right before I leave for the airport. And I think I'm done. Thank you for packing with me. This really made the process a lot more efficient and I got things done a lot quicker. So hit that like and that subscribe button. A lot of more videos to come, so stay tuned.